pinapakitang your race sa how to spot a red flag. Can you tell us how you traced that person na nag-fake sa family?
How we trace the person?
How to trace a red flag.
The red flag.
I think what we did, nag-send kami ng pera sa kanya. Tapos sabi namin, meet tayo dito sa point na to, sa location na to. And then, may police na doon. And they were a couple of people who got the money talaga, so we were able to catch them. But yeah, it happens more often than not. Even with my family, like there were some people na they would think that they're in a relationship with my sister, pero hindi naman pala talaga yung kausap. Parang hindi naman siya talaga yung kausap. So it's scary, you know, and stuff. But can I just say this story is very light and very funny. So yes, there are those kinds of stuff, but it's a very light show. But it also shows that, you know, this stuff really does happen. We have to be careful.
Thank you so much. We're so excited. Thank you.
Thank you, MJ. That's MJ Marfori from TV5. Our next set of questions galing kay Nika Sabio ng ABS-CBN Push. Sabi ni Nika, ako na lang daw magtatanong. Donnie, having a remarkable character from your previous series, how do you differentiate your character as Matt? So, ang pagkakaiba ni Matt, kay Bingo, at saka sa iba pa.
Wow, very different. Bingo.
May sagot ako, pero mamaya na. Sagot ka na.
Sige. Wala akong good morning towel ngayon. Hindi, pero si Matt, he grew up in La Union, but he went to school in Manila. So it's the mix of both worlds. Siyempre si Bingo, sa Binondo siya talaga ever since. I'm a beach boy, you know. And I think I'm very business-minded in a different way from Bingo. Hindi live selling, mas parang corporate. Yung ganun. Tsaka, medyo masimulan ako kay Matt. Medyo ano siya eh, parang hindi siya gagawa ng bagay kung alam niya may mga apektong taong mahal niya. So he's very yeah, he's very careful to move around. He wants to make sure that everyone around him is okay, even if sometimes he's not okay. Ganun. So
Saka si Bingo, dati, pa-sleeveless lang. Si Matt ngayon, pa-topless na.
Pati si Matt, namumula yung ilong kapag nagsisinungaling.
Ay, totoo?
Yeah.
yeah, there's that aspect sa show. So that's also good actually. Hindi ko alam na may ganun palang Pinocchio syndrome. May ganun talaga yung totoong buhay. Nagiging allergic yung tao.
Interesting.
Yeah, they talk to doctors about that.
POV mo nga, POV mo, anong pinagkaiba ni Matt kay Bingo?
Well, pareho kasi silang malapit sa family nila. Like si Mamang, di ba? And now yung mom mo dito. Yun nga, wala siyang good morning towel. Pati this time, hindi ko na siya nababangga. Kasi sa Canbayo na, minabest ko ata siya nabangga doon.
Sasampan mo lang si Matt eh. No?
Yes, isang beses lang. Isang beses lang.
Bel, mula pa rin kay Nika, what's the challenging part naman daw of playing Chuck in the series?
Oh, kay Chat? Minsan, to be honest, medyo napipikon ako kay Chat.
Bakit?
Pag nag-shoot, pag nababasa ko yung script, kasi minsan, nagpapabudol talaga siya. So, minsan yun yung challenging part kasi sometimes, she's just blinded. But sometimes kasi, hindi talaga tayo aware na nabubudol na pala tayo, di ba? Eh ako naman kasi nakikita ko na yung life ni Cha when I read the script. So, I know what's gonna happen to her. But Cha, in the moment when we're shooting it, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So, napipikon ako sa kanya pag nagpapabudol siya. So, ayun yung challenging part siguro when playing her. Siguro, I wanna talk to Chat, sabihin ko sa kanya na, uy, mas maging careful ka naman. Pero syempre, matututo tayo.
So the challenge, naiinis ka na, ba't ganito yung character ko nagpapabudol?
No, I love Cha. Naiinis na ako pag nagpapabudol siya.
Alright, thank you Nika from Push. From Jay of Certified Kapamilya, a question is for Donnie. From He's Into Her up to ngayon sa How to Spot a Red Flag, masasabi natin na medyo mahaba na rin ang inyong samahan. In the years working together, what is your favorite thing about Belle and the other way around? Okay, so what's your favorite thing about Belle?
Easy to grab and flashback lahat ng moment natin. Nagpanggaan tayo sa kalsada. Dave tsaka Max. Nalala mo yun?
Nag-basketball pa ako.
Iba pa itsura natin.
Nag-billiards tayo doon. Dito, nagsisurfing tayo.
Favorite thing about Belle?
Can I start? Can I answer first? Sorry. I thought of something. I think it's just so nice that I'm able to try new things. with you, such as I learned billiards with you, I learned surfing with you. So siguro natutuwa ako na, but my favorite thing about you is you're so game with anything. Yes.
Ako naman, you always find a way to kind of reinvent yourself, you know. Hindi kasi madali yung after one project, we do another project, and then you have to think about how do you make this character different. Kasi minsan pag nagiging sobrang komportable kami sa isa't isa, baka same lang yung atake namin sa isang tour, eh dapat diba ibang level naman of Don Bell yung makikita nila. So, Belle is always trying to do things that will portray something else in her character and her craft. And sobrang nakikita ng lahat yun. Ito nga, diba, if you could see her sa Incognito, tapos makita mo dito sa How to Spot, sobrang iba yung characters na at kaya-kaya niyang gawin niya. So, ayun, that's probably one thing.
Not to mention yung mga may concerts pa si Belle,
Yes,
diba?
of course.
May mga releases pa siya ng mga singles niya. So, nakita mo talaga yung versatility. And also, I just wanna make mention, yung maturity niyo din from, you know, the very first season to her up to now. Grabe na rin. Ilang years na yun? Siguro 6.
More, 5.
Really?
Yeah, kasi kailan ba tayo nag-OC 2019?
2019. Oo, 6 years.
Nag-show yung pandemic.
5-6
Yeah,
years.
5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Feels like a lifetime.
And we want to thank all the supporters who are watching right now, who's been with us from the very start. Maraming salamat. Grabe rin yung support nila sa amin.
Grabe ha, nagkwentuhan tayo. Yung aeroplano, yung meron silang
Tapos,
signage,
yeah, and then yung
the
sa
bridge,
and then yung
the
sa boat
LEDs
pa.
and the billboards. Grabe
May
ha.
mural pa sila sa Baguio,
Mural,
diba?
yeah.
Grabe ang effort. Speaking of supporters, trending na kayo ngayon. First 5 trending topics.
Wow!
Sa X platform, kayo ay trending yung matcha, Grand Gilyacon, ang ating mga hashtags, and of course, Donnie Pangilinan as Matt and Belle Mariano as Cha. Grabe! Wala akong masabi. Next question is for Belle. May